dates and times. No seconds in a minute, minutes in an hour, and hours in a day. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. 60 seconds is 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. In 1 hour, the minute hand moves 1 full turn around the clock. In the same time, the hour hand moves to the next hour. And there are 5 minutes between each number on the clock's face. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 24 hours in 1 day. There are 12 hours to noon, and there are 12 hours from noon to midnight. 12 hours to noon plus 12 hours from noon to midnight equals 24 hours in a day. Remember, there are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour, and there are 24 hours in a day.